can't get the color balance right because the sun is reflecting off the house next door, which is making me look yellow, but the background look incredibly like white and washed out. I don't know, I am sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's your girl, Savannah Smiles. So funny enough, if you really keep up with my videos, you'll probably be like, wow, your outfit, this looks really familiar. This was filmed around the same time. And that's because I literally just filmed the outro to my last vlog this morning because I am vlogging 2 days back to back. I wanted to do Vlogmas, so I figured this would be a good test. Today there's not really a checklist since we are going to an event, and honestly I have no idea how late it's gonna go, but I do know that I need to finish editing my last vlog from yesterday. Today, before the event. I'm probably not gonna show much before we go to the event just because it's kind of boring. But anyways, let's just get right into it. Anyways, I'm editing right now and I got a little puppy on me. You're so spoiled. Did you know that? Some dogs have to just stay outside. You're laying on my chest as I work. And you get to do this all day. Yeah. Yeah. I know. Spoiled. Oh!
No, we can't tell you what to invest in. It's a liability.
What are you doing in these parts of town?
What are you doing in these parts?
I thought this was my section.
My section.
Get mad at you.
You want to split it?
Because you told us the wrong thing to invest in, and we lost our money.
Did you see
Whoa, radioactive, radioactive. By the way. Yeah,
This has everything.
All
right,
just
Jeremy.
know if you see us
Grandma always
laughing
gets credit
at your
for
child
constantly being
later,
plugging, but what is that?
just know we are
Hungry
only
Bowl.
trying to
Download Hungry Bowl, track your stocks, cryptos, keep up with the markets, read the daily newsletter. Hungry Bowl on your app store now.
You teach me and I'll teach you Pokémon.
Yeah,
What did you do?
I got a pack of Pokemon cards right over here, and
Alex got you the Pokemon
yes,
card?
Alex got me the Pokemon cards. And we're gonna flip a coin for the price though. So we're gonna open it at like the very last pack of the day and see what it is.
I got hungry, so I got a second one. So
Oh, look at that, we got another Vulpix. Great. There we go. So Vulpix. Coughing. Oh, we got a Charmander. Sandshrew. Switch. Energy. Energy. Wow! That's nice. I like that. Damn it! It's mine!
okay, the theming here is amazing, and according to Kayla,
If anything, I'm guilty of overholding things to go to sleep.
what did you think?
Really good.
Oh my gosh, it's way too zoomed up, and I cannot zoom out. There we go. All right, what are your thoughts?
I hope it's a Charizard.
Me too.
Oh, got it.
No pressure.
I should have been. Okay, we got a Staryu. Caterpie. A Switch. And a
Oh, there goes my call.
A lot of people in our turf. It's not just us.
I know.
They have
I know.
bigger cameras too.
We're out here trying to compete with each other. We should be competing with them.
Yeah. I heard Netflix is on.
I think they actually are here.
I know. Me too.
we got an energy, yes. We got a trainer. No.
Alex, you're not defending your turf properly, huh?
I'm not what?
You're not defending your turf properly, huh?
No, I let people step on.
I'll be honest with you, I have no clue. I don't get it.
The Hungry Bowl. The Hungry Bowl.
I'm just ready to go take Kevin's money playing poker, and that's what I'm
And
waiting
make
for.
everyone download.
Say what?
And make everyone download.
The bowl.
I'm beefing with that camera.
I haven't met
He thinks he's better than us.
Something like I've never
We're uploading a video for Kevin. He's using my hotspot.
comics.
Sometimes you can put this in a bag and it won't go anywhere.
He pays $6 grand. If there's a hole, it's
What? I mean, so this is 2050. So to me, this would not. I would not think this is a heavy pack. So I would recommend against opening this. And so to me, it's like PSA never really should have graded these this way. If you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I wouldn't do it.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to open something else, I've got Aquapolis, I've got New Discovery. They're way less.
I'm gonna pass, but I want to make it up.
No, you don't have to.
Sure.
Okay.
Hey Graham, you know if you walk out that door, it'll be bye, bye, bye. Mike appreciates it.
Good joke, Macy.
You watch the vlogs, you know that's coming.
Jack is the watch of
No, but people
Today I am dealer, and I am keeping these
And if you know
completely
watches,
on.
it's respectable.
Yes.
But everyone knows Rolex, and they're gonna see it as
5.
five.
stand.
Shit. Sorry, Grant.
4 or 5 Rolexes. I've shared them all with Graham, but I sold 4 or 5 Rolexes. I made 60.
At midnight?
That's how you beat there.
Couple hours.
The youngin' winning left and right. He's not even
You gotta get started.
How do you do it? No one knows. We try and figure it out.
Alright guys, so it's Monday. I was editing this video and then realized that I hit 50,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I am so excited. I do have a video coming for that, but it isn't ready now. I wanted to refilm part of it. You'll get why later once you see it, but it will go up on Thursday. It will be my next upload. I am so excited to share it with you, and I am so excited to finally have hit 50,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. If you've watched the video to this point, you probably like it. It is longer than TikTok, so you should tap that like button for me. I know I did just hit 50,000. That doesn't mean you should unsubscribe. That actually means you should subscribe, because then you'll be along before the next milestone. And anyways, with that said, don't forget to end the video in the middle.